Hey there, guys. This is Chet here. Today, I'm comparing Shopify and Odoo to help you understand which one is better for your online business. I'll go over their features and pricing in simple and easy words so that even beginners can follow along. By the end, you'll know exactly which platform suits your needs the best. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, click the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You will also get my complete Shopify course so you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is one of the most well-known e-commerce platforms really in the world. It's designed to help anyone start, grow, and manage a store without needing any technical skills. Everything is ready to go out of the box, from the themes to apps to payment tools. Now, on the other hand, Odoo is more than just an e-commerce platform. It's a full business management system with apps for inventory, accounting, CRM, marketing, and a lot more. You can build a store with Odoo, but you can also run your entire company in one place. This makes the two platforms very different in how they work and who they're best for. Next, let's compare features. Shopify focuses mainly on e-commerce, so its tools are very polished and easy to use. You get a drag and drop builder, hundreds of themes, fast checkout, built-in payment processing, and strong inventory tracking. Plus, Shopify has a huge app store that lets you add almost any feature that you want. Whether you need upsells, subscriptions, print on demand, or marketing tools, you can just install them with a simple click. This makes Shopify great for beginners and growing stores that want simple setup and reliable performance. Odoo, on the other hand, works differently. Instead of giving you a single e-commerce tool, it gives you dozens of business apps that connect together. So you can run your online store, your warehouse, accounting, your customer service, and your marketing all inside of one platform. Now, the e-commerce builder is not as beginner friendly as Shopify, but it's very flexible. You can customize workflows, automate processes, and build a system that fits your business exactly. This is why Odoo is often used by companies that want more control or need an all-in-one solution rather than just a store builder. Now, let's look at pricing. Shopify's monthly plans include basic for $25 per month, grow for $65 per month, advanced for $399 per month, and Shopify Plus for $2,300 per month. Odoo's plans include the one app free plan at €0 per month, the standard plan at 1480 euros per month, and the custom plan at 2240 euros per user per month. So, which one should you choose? If you want a clean, simple, beginner-friendly way to build and run an online store, Shopify is the better choice. It has great themes, great support, and everything is already optimized for e-commerce. You can launch fast and scale easy. But if you want a platform that manages your entire business, not just your store, then Odoo is the stronger option. It gives you more control, deeper customization, and a full site of tools, or a full suite of tools rather, beyond e-commerce. All right. I hope that helped. That's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.